Hey guys, what's up? A very warm welcome to all of you. I hope all you guys are having a super amazing day going on. Guys, guess what? I am very excited because today's session is going to be super cool because we are back with yet another amazing chapter. That is what happens to the idli that you eat. So we'll be talking about respiration, guys. So this is for grade 7 and you all know this is a one short revision of respiration in organisms, and yes, we're gonna have a VQuiz also by the end of this class. So are you all ready? Hi Devanshi, hi Pallavi, hi Neha Thomas, hi Simi, hi Surendra, hi Dibya Jyoti, hi Pallavi. हेलो वेलकम टू द क्लास. आ जाओ जल्दी से आप दोस्त लोग को बुलाओ and join the class. Come on, how to become the moderator of Young Wonders? Bring 100 people to the class, you can become one. Hi Anant. Hi Shivani, long time. Yes, welcome to the class. Welcome. Good to see you again. Hi Daniel, hello. Alright, so what is this chapter all about? This chapter is very important for a lot of people who are right now eating your pizzas, for right now eating your idlis, your chapatis, because we are about to be seeing what happens to all that food that you eat. Yes. All right. And do not forget, guys, there is also going to be a VQuiz by the end of the class to test how much you guys have learned from today's session. All right. So make sure that you guys all stay tuned till the end of the class so that you guys can attempt the VQuiz. Are you all ready? Vanakkam Ram from Tamil Nadu. Nice. Vanga. Valga Valamudan. Vanakkam. Alright guys. Good. Let's go. Great. If you guys are on Instagram, do not forget to follow me. It's learn_with_Mohan. So make sure you guys follow me over there if you have Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, it's okay. Relax. Chill. Okay, what is the learning outcome of today's session going to be? So we will mainly focus on cellular respiration in this chapter, and also we'll be learning about what is aerobic and anaerobic respiration, respiration in yeast, respiration in our muscle cells, in cockroach, in earthworms, in frogs, in fish, in plants, everywhere. Okay, let's try to understand this better. Okay, let's quickly go to our whiteboard. Where is our whiteboard? Mohan profile. More new whiteboard. Okay. Wait a second. Has ma'am's session got completed? Let us see. No, ma'am's still teaching. Nice. All right, let's go here. Okay guys. Okay, that's for grade 6. This is for grade 7. Doesn't matter. Now what are we going to do right now is, let us say that you guys are sitting in your house. This is your beautiful house. You guys are all sitting in your house watching TV. Okay, now I come to your house. I'm like, bro, I come to your house and I am like, hey, do you want to come and play? It was 9 o'clock in the morning. So you come out, we both start playing. You know, if we start playing cricket, we start playing all the games. Okay, but after some time, it is now 12 o'clock. I have nicely had my breakfast, but you have skipped your breakfast. Now tell me guys, will you be able to play good after some time without eating? Will you be able to play good if you don't eat, guys? Will you be able to play if you don't eat good? No. Why? Because you do not have something called as energy. You don't have energy. So where does this energy come from? This energy comes from the pizza that you eat, food that you eat. So food gives us energy. Understood, everybody? But my question is, how the pizza that you're eating, how is that food getting transformed into energy. This we will be finding out first. Second one, respiration. Many of you guys, how many of you guys think, sir, respiration means this is respiration? How many of you guys think that this is respiration? Many of you guys think, right? But I have a question. If that is respiration, then what is this? What is breathing then? So what is the difference between breathing and what is the difference between respiration and breathing then? That also we'll try to understand. Okay, so we all know that food gives us energy. Food has stored energy inside it. Food has stored energy inside it. Okay, so breathing we all know is what? Breathing is very important. What do we do? What do we do in breathing? We do two things. We inhale. We do inhalation and we also do exhalation, right? Now inhalation, what do you inhale, guys? You inhale oxygen. In exhale, what do you exhale? You exhale carbon dioxide. Inhalation and exhalation. Inhalation is what? Exhalation. Understood? Very simple. Let's go back to our slides. Excuse me. Let's go back to our slides right now. Now, all the living organisms around us respire to get that energy from the food that we all eat. Okay? Now, not just that, we also breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. Okay, so respiration is the process of gaseous exchange in an organism. We exchange gases, that is called as breathing. So we have inhalation, we have exhalation. Now I want you guys all to keep your one left hand on your chest, on your right hand on your abdomen, and start breathing in. When you breathe in, during exhalation, what happens? This is very important where many of you guys make mistake. What happens during inhalation? During inhalation, your ribs go up and outwards, and your diaphragm goes down. It goes down during inhalation. Now what happens during exhalation? Your ribs goes in, down and inwards, and diaphragm comes up. Never forget. So up and down, now then down and up. Inhalation, up and down. Exhalation, down and up. Understood? Yeah? Very good. So we have inhalation and we have exhalation, and we saw the movement of our ribs and diaphragm also. So diaphragm is your muscular sheet right below your lungs, and you have your ribs. So this entire thing forms a rib cage. Whenever the rib cage expands, air is sucked in. Rib cage becomes small, air is pushed out. That is how your breathing happens. Okay, now check this out. Okay, let us now talk about the types of respiration that we all have. Guys, for this you all have to listen to me very, very carefully. Let's see how it happens. One second, guys. Let's see how it happens. Okay, first of all, once we eat the food, what happens to all the food? We have digestion happens to the food. Yeah, the food is being absorbed, all the food gets converted into something called as glucose. So now the glucose is right now there in your blood. Blood is carrying glucose to each and every cell. Guys, what are we learning right now? We are learning something called as cellular respiration. Every cell in our body needs energy. Every cell needs energy. And we are providing food for that. Food is glucose. Okay, now this glucose has to be broken down into what? Into energy. But our body is not able to do it. It needs help from somebody. Whose help? We need the help of oxygen. Oh my God. So where is this oxygen coming from? It's coming from your lungs, no? We inhale oxygen. What do? We inhale. It comes to our lungs. From the lungs, our blood carries oxygen to each and every cell. Okay. Now, glucose is broken down in the presence of oxygen to release energy plus waste products like carbon dioxide and water. Now, what happens to this waste product, carbon dioxide? We exhale it. Okay? We exhale carbon dioxide and we inhale oxygen. So this respiration right now, which happens in the presence of oxygen, is called what? Aerobic respiration. This is the reason why we breathe oxygen, because we are providing oxygen to each and every cell for respiration to take place. Understood, guys, everybody? Now you all understood why we do respiration? Yes, there is one more. As I told you, look at this. The type of respiration in which organisms use oxygen for burning the food inside the cell is called aerobic respiration. Now, in anaerobic, look at what happens in aerobic. Glucose in the presence of oxygen is broken down into energy plus water plus carbon dioxide. Water and carbon dioxide are waste products. Energy is released. That energy is enough for the cell to function. In aerobic respiration, the process takes place in all the multicellular organisms, including animals, plants, any other living organisms, humans. Everywhere it is aerobic respiration that takes place. Understood, guys? Daniel, tell me what doubt you have. Tell me. Tell me what doubt you have. Clear? Very simple, easy. So plants, fungus, cow, dog, puppy, everything does aerobic respiration only. Now next one, anaerobic respiration. Now this is magic, guys. So just the opposite. Anaerobic respiration is when the food is broken down to release energy in the absence of oxygen. In the absence of oxygen, sometimes the glucose is directly broken down to release energy. But wait a minute. One thing is very, very obvious. What is that? Whenever, remember very carefully, whenever glucose is broken down directly into energy, there is always a new product. There is always a new product. Okay, because it's incomplete respiration. We are not completely converting glucose into energy. It is incomplete. Okay, there is a new product formed always. Let us see how that new product is formed. Okay. Yes, for example, in animals, so how many of you guys, when you are doing exercise, Sometimes you get muscle cramps. You're like, oh, this muscle is paining. Or when you're running, when you're running a marathon, your legs start burning. Have you guys felt that sensation? Have you guys felt that sensation when you're burning? When you're running, obviously. Yes, right? Why? Guys, because if your muscles are continuously working, that means they need a lot of energy. That means they need a lot of oxygen. But we are not able to supply only this much. But our muscles need more oxygen. There is a demand in the muscles. So what the muscles will do is, for a very short time, they will convert the glucose into energy without oxygen. Oh my god. Only for a small time though. But as I told you, if you convert glucose into energy without oxygen, there is a new product formed always. That new product is your lactic acid. That is why it burns. Acid burns, right? That's why we get muscle cramps. It burns when you keep on doing something. Okay? Lactic acid is produced. Look at this. The lactic acid produced is carried to the cells of the body by protein carrier and used as fuel by the energy fabrics in the muscle cells. It is stored in the form of glycogen in the muscular cells. It will keep on burning. But how to remove that pain? You will do massage. You will pour hot water. You will supply more oxygen. And finally, the lactic acid also will be converted into energy. Okay, so lactic acid in the absence of oxygen, it gives us energy. Yes. All right. Respiration in humans, we have inhalation, we have exhalation. Okay, so a breath is nothing but one inhalation followed by one exhalation. This is one breath. Okay, so breathing rate is nothing but the number of times a person breathes in 1 minute. In 1 minute, how many ever time he breathes is called as the breathing rate of a person. So normally, a normal respiration rates for an adult person at rest ranges from 12 to 16 breaths per minute. 12 to 16 times we breathe in 1 minute. Alright? Okay, then Daniel is asking, we are taking oxygen, then how come carbon dioxide is coming? Beta, we are using the oxygen for respiration. Once we are using it, we are converting it into carbon dioxide and throwing it out. Okay, Daniel? Got it? Yes. Now, next one. See, when we are inhaling the air, look at this, guys. So, nitrogen is always constant, but look at oxygen. It's 21% when we are inhaling it. When we are giving it out, it's only 16% because we have used some oxygen and made carbon dioxide. See, carbon dioxide has become 5% now. It was only very little, become 5% now. Okay, so the what is lung capacity? The average total lung capacity of an adult human being is 6 liters of air. So my lung can hold 6 liters of air. 6 liters. Your lungs are small. Okay, probably 2 liters, 3 liters. Let's talk about how this respiration happens in other animals now, apart from humans. Cockroach. Ayyo. Cockroach, see, in humans, guys, we have nostrils. We inhale. Inside the nostrils, we have tiny, tiny hair, which will trap all the dust. Then the air will go into the windpipe, your trachea, and your lungs. That is how your respiratory system works for humans. But in insects, they don't have any nostrils, nothing. Especially cockroaches, they have tiny holes on the sides of their body called spiracles. These spiracles are tiny holes which are connected to a network of tubes inside their body called the tracheal tubes, where the gas exchange happens. Most of the insects. Okay, now what about earthworms? Oh, earthworms doesn't have any holes. but they respire through their skin. That's why they're always moist. They do cutaneous respiration. They respire through their skin. Okay. Next is frogs. Frogs are different level, guys. Trust me. Frogs are different level. How does alveoli transport oxygen and carbon dioxide? Guys, alveoli is supplied with blood capillaries. When blood comes there, blood has hemoglobin. It carries the oxygen and takes it to each and every cell. Okay? Okay, Shivam? Great, great. Amazing. You guys are amazing. Let's talk about frogs now. Frogs are superheroes, guys. Trust me. When the frog is a tadpole, no, small tadpole like a fish, it will have gills. It will use its gills to absorb oxygen from water. After it becomes an adult, frogs also have nostrils and lungs. It can also respire through skin. Oh my god, all the three. Gills, then nostrils, then skin also. Crazy, right? Aquatic animals have gills. You can always see fishes doing this, no? Why? Because they're taking in air rich in oxygen, absorbing all the oxygen from water and giving out carbon dioxide. They use their gills. So gills also has a lot of blood capillaries. Okay. See, oxygen rich air is water is going inside. From the water, all the oxygen is absorbed and carbon dioxide is given out. It's an amphibian. Frog is an amphibian, not the fish. Okay? Yes. What about plants? Wait a minute. Very important thing right now we're going to discuss. Then we'll go for the VQuiz. What is the very important thing? How does plants do it? Let's draw a beautiful plant now. A beautiful plant. Okay, let's talk about the plant right now, guys. Plants do two important process. What are the two important process, guys? One is your photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is what? It is the process in which the green plants make their own food. What do? They take in sunlight. They take in carbon dioxide and they take in water and minerals. And what do they produce? They produce their food, which is nothing but carbohydrates. They produce carbohydrates, C6H12O6 or carbohydrates. Okay. Now, not just this. Guys, this is the food. This is nothing but glucose. How to get energy from this glucose, guys? How will the glucose be converted into energy? By what process? The glucose can be converted into energy by the process of what? Respiration. Plants also do respiration. Plants also take oxygen, that is here, and they also give out carbon dioxide. Wait a minute, you guys never knew this? Yes, guys, plants also do respiration. Photosynthesis can only happen in the daytime. Yeah. It can only happen in the in the daytime. Why? Because for photosynthesis, you need light. Respiration happens all the time. Respiration can never stop. If respiration stops, the animal will die. The organism will die. Okay? So photosynthesis happens in the daytime, or respiration happens all the time. That is why they tell you not to sleep under the tree during night times, because night time photosynthesis is not happening. Respiration is happening. So if you sleep under the tree in the night time, you will only get carbon dioxide. People will die because we need oxygen, no? Okay, so we have photosynthesis, we have respiration. In the daytime photosynthesis, every time it is respiration. Got it? But how does the plants take in these gases? That we'll see. That we'll see. So the plants exchange these gases through tiny pores present on their leaves called as stomata. So stomata looks like this. Through these small spores, they exchange gases. Okay? Okay, what is the doubt? How lactic acid is formed during anaerobic respiration? Because the incomplete respiration is happening. We are not able to convert the glucose completely into energy because of the absence of oxygen. That is why lactic acid is produced. Okay, Utsav? Nitrogen they take. Nitrogen plants cannot take, guys. Sir, can you explain once again the composition of inhaled and exhaled? In inhaled air, we are taking more oxygen. In exhaled air, we are giving out more carbon dioxide. Okay. Okay, Neha. Great. Great. Okay. Now, it's time for the VQuiz. Shall we go for the VQuiz right now, people, everybody? Are you all ready? Are you all ready for the VQuiz? Nitrogen, the plants cannot take, guys. Nitrogen, they take through nitrogen cycle. Through nitrogen fixers. Okay. Google boss has a doubt. What doubt? Okay, how to join the VQuiz? Guys, the VQuiz link is right in the description. Where is the description? If you go here, you can find the VQuiz link. So click on this link to join the VQuiz right now, everybody. Come on. Click on this link to join the VQuiz, or you can go to www.vquiz.in and use the code 227641. Come on. Sir, ನನ್ನ ನೇಮ್ ಗಣವಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಇಂದ ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಕನ್ನಡ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಆದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು. Okay? Done, guys? So everybody quickly join. The link is right now in the description. Everybody click on that link and join the quiz right now. Let me see how much you guys have understood in the class today. Come on. How energy is formed? Because we are burning the glucose. We are doing respiration. Right, inside the cell there is something called mitochondria. There is something called ATP, lot of things. You'll be learning all this complex process in the higher grades. Okay? రామ్ నేత్ర, నేను ఇంట్లో మాట్లాడేది తెలుగు, కానీ నేను ఇప్పుడు ఉండేదేమో తమిళనాడులో. సరేనా? కానీ తెలుగునే నా మదర్ టంగ్. ఓకే, హ్యాపీ నౌ? హీస్ బీన్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్. Come on, join the quiz, guys. You have to go to www.vquiz.in and then enter the code 227641. Jaldi se, come on. I'm waiting. Come on. గూగుల్ బాస్ తెలుగులో ఏం మాట్లాడాలి చెప్పు. తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే చాలా, కానీ ఇంకేమైనా పాట అయినా పాడాలా? Okay, shall we start, guys? Where is the link? I'll show you once again where the link is, everybody. If you go to my video, the link is right below. But I am not starting this week quiz without at least seeing 50 likes. So hit the like button right now. Then we shall go and start the quiz. Come on. Hit the like button. 50 likes. कम से कम 50 likes होना जरूरी है. Minimum 50 likes வேணும் வீடியோக்கு. 50 likes வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் நம்ம வந்து quiz start பண்ண போறோம். So make sure that நீங்க எல்லாரும் அந்த 50 likes hit பண்ணுங்க. Quick. like button को दबाओ जल्दी से. అందరూ like button ని నొక్కండి. 50 likes కావాలి. 50 likes. Done? 34 likes. Come on, 50 we need. 50. We need 50. What is the next class? That's all done, no? Oh, you have. 8 o'clock. Come on, quick. 50 likes. How many of you guys have joined the week quiz? Everybody hit the like button. Come on. Yes. What is this, guys? Come on. Last 10 seconds. I'm gonna Sir nan like aru. Adipoli. Sir also speak in Kannada. ಬೇಗ ಲೈಕ್ ಬಟನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವಾಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯಿತು. ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಕ್ವಿಜ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಓಕೆ, ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವಿಜ್. Your first question on the screen in 3, 2, 1, here we go. Okay, during the process of exhalation, the ribs move how? Down and inwards, up and inwards, down and outwards, up and outwards. How does the ribs move during exhalation? ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಬಿಡಿ ಸರ್. ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡು. Come on. Yes, and the right answer for this, during exhalation, exhale is this, guys. Down and inwards. Very good. Option A is the right answer. Let's see the leaderboard now. We have Dheeraj, very good Dheeraj at the top. Then we have Castro, Avail, Anukal Pandey, Varsha, Sharlina, Akash Bharadwaj, Prithvi Pal, Ram Netra, Aruhi and Purnima. Great job. Next question. Sometimes when we do heavy exercise, anaerobic respiration takes place on our muscle cells. What is produced during this process? Alcohol and lactic acid, alcohol and carbon dioxide, lactic acid and carbon dioxide, lactic acid only. What is produced during heavy exercise, guys? Come on. Sir, how to change name where? Come on, quick. Very good, guys. Guys, only lactic acid is produced. No. After some time, that lactic acid will be converted into energy and carbon dioxide. So, pehle, in anaerobic respiration, glucose is directly converted into lactic acid and energy. That's all. Only lactic acid. Leaderboard. Sharlina, Aruhi Singh, Purnima, Kavi Priyan, Sonakshi, Dheeraj, Bhavesh, Castro, Anukalp and Varsha. Great job. Your next question on the screen. Come on. Is it live, Suhana? Yes. In the following figure of respiratory systems, organs labeled by 1 and 2 are what? What is 1? What is 2? Tracheae, lungs, lungs, tracheae, nasal cavity, lungs, lungs, nasal cavity. What is 1 and 2? Come on. Everybody, what is 1 and 2? Let's go. Everybody, come on, guys, quick. I want to see every right answer here in the class. Come on. All right. Very good, guys. It is 1 is your trachea, guys. This is the arrow mark is not it. The line, this line indicates 1. It is your trachea. 2 is your lungs. So lungs, trachea and lungs is the right answer. Let's see the leaderboard. Sharlina, Aruhi, Kavi Priyan, Sonakshi, Atharv, Castro, Anukalp, Prithvi, Ram Netra, Dheeraj. Great job. Next question on the screen. Hi, Rider Rohan. Yeast is used in wine and beer industries because it respires how? Aerobically producing oxygen. Aerobically producing alcohol, anaerobically producing alcohol, anaerobically producing carbon dioxide. Why is yeast used in wine industries? Let's go. Why is yeast used in wine industries, guys? Tell me quickly. Why do we use it? Everybody, tell me quick. Because yeast respires anaerobically producing alcohol, guys. Option C is the right answer. Yeast is a microorganism, it's a fungi which does fermentation. What is fermentation? In which the glucose is directly converted into energy with the production of alcohol. Okay. Aruhi, Sonakshi, Atarv, Castro, Sharlina, Prithvi, Tanuja, Kavipriyan, Anusha, and Anukalp. Question number 5 on your screen. Come on. Breathing rate in humans in normal condition is how much? 12 to 15 times in a minute, 15 to 18, 18 to 22, 22 to 25. What is the normal breathing rate? The normal breathing rate in human. Come on. Everybody. Hi Anushka. Yes. 5 seconds done. The normal breathing rate in human beings is 15 to 18 times in a minute. Very close, guys. Good try, good try. So we have Sonakshi, Castro, Aruhi, Kavipriyan, Atarv, Pragya, Shardina, Lakshika, Prithvi, and Tanuja. Great job. Question number 6 on your screen. Name the organ of the body in which the blood is oxygenated. Heart, lungs, liver, pancreas. Where is the blood oxygenated? They name the organ of the body in which the blood is oxygenated. Where is the oxygen given to the blood? Simple, come on. Come on, quiz, quick. Let's go, come on guys. Yes, guys, lungs are the place where the blood is oxygenated. No, we give oxygen to the blood from the lungs only. No, heart is the pumping organ, guys. Sonakshi, Castro, Sharlina, Pragya, Prithvi, Aruhi, Kavipriyan, Tanya, Atarv, and Lakshika. Great job. Your one last question on the screen. Yeast are used in dash. Wine and beer industry, bakery, in both, none of this. Where is yeast used? Where is yeast used? Come on. Quick. Yes. Very good, guys. It is option A in the wine and beer industry. Let's see the right answer for this. Of course, it is option A, guys. The final leaderboard on the screen, it is Sonakshi at the top. Very good, Sonakshi. Then we have Castro and Sharlina. Great job, everybody. You all have done very well. Congratulations to all of you. And others, if your name is not there, do not worry, because it's all about learning and fun. Alright, so with that, guys, we come to an end. I hope you all understood whatever we learned in today's session of respiration and organisms. It was very fun, very fun teaching you all. We will definitely meet up in the coming class. So until then, guys, this is me, Mohan, signing off. All of you, take care, stay safe, and stay as lovely as always you guys are. Alright.